and I do a threesome, just make it done right this some. But the thing say, having a personal girl for your threesome girl makes sense. But no, I rather have a threesome and I don't see you back for the rest of my life. I'm gonna move on.
Like you rather to like compensate or like pay her for a time, man.
No, I always pay. I think you should get paid. I always pay. I always pay. And I think you are there, you're giving me your time, you're giving me you know, you are making me and my man feel good. So it's only fair that I pay you.
Well, I guess if it works for you, Kay.
Yeah, so but that's the only part I'm gonna say, me honestly feel like say getting experience by that, it's like but who no want for our permanent girl for say she will go always do it with because the she's be weird. You invite a girl 2 times in your sex life and she feel like say she obligated to your man and this and that and she no. So for me, threesome for me, I would change every time I go do a threesome, one change a girl. I don't want one girl anymore. No. One is no. Me just move next. Okay, this was for next. You can't stop pussy good. Next. I don't like how you suck my man dick. Next. And then I go just find fault till we find one. I will say, you were great. See your extra toes to the liar. Yeah. And she can go up one day. She can go up one day. Maybe we use her again list. But you don't get a permanent use, yeah. Yeah, it nice to feel out different. Yeah.
But these females now, they will try to like defame your character or your reputation, even though they might tell you, oh, they good as they go on. And you know, like they realize
no. Actually, this is me, Brit. I actually have conversation before. You see me? If you see your face and you look like say you're not up to certain things, cause you're not gonna come say we rape you. So you understand what I'm saying? And you're not gonna come say with this. You're not surprised.
Yeah, but
listen,
you know, like maybe now when they realize that you're just done with them and you want nothing to do with them.
No. But I made that clear. Like this is I want you to understand that this is a one-time thing. We're not friends, and you know we just have fun. And in the time of the space with we, they might go feel at home because I know how to make somebody feel at home. You see me? I'm gonna tell Brittany, everybody who decide to be in a threesome, they know what it is about. As some people come in at it and want to catch feelings. You see me? So it is what it is.
Like into threesome with 2 men or just girls only?
I would never do a threesome with 2 men.
Okay.
I could not. My man could never watch a next man and fuck me. But me like watch my man and fuck a next girl. I don't know. That's my shit. From time to time. But me no. If a man even look for me too rough, one man will say, oh, this will go on there, sir. Men are more jealous. Don't stop it. Don't know some man more jealous than. No, what do you mean by why? Why the fuck? I don't want to take 2 dicks at a time.
You live a like different life. You live a very I don't know, like you do your stuff, girl. And if it works for you, it works for you.
And that with people, anything with Brit, I love how you say that. Whatever work for you, work for you. No Jamaican man, me only can talk for Jamaican man, would have never sit down and watch one next man and fuck out him woman. Me can tell you plain blank, say, my man will never, ever, never, ever allow that. And I don't want 2 dicks. So, no, it's not for me.
Well,
the pussy too great to have to serve one master. Hey!